Hi, my name is Aaron Johnson. I am a customer of Able Roof. Early in March, I got my roof placed by Able. I reached out to about 30 different contractors. They weren't the cheapest, but for a couple $100 more, I got more than what any of these other smaller companies would offer. Drip edge, lifetime underlayment, lifetime roof, dimensional shingles over 3 tab, and all of it was included. Sarah Martin came out. She was my representative. Absolutely wonderful. I've been in contact with her from the moment that I called until now. From the time that I made the call and Sarah Martin came out, she gave me her presentation, showed me what my options were. I would say within less than 2 weeks from the time that I made the phone call until they finished roofing my house, it was less than 2 weeks. The guys came at 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning, and they had my roof off completely by 9. It was amazing. The guys worked so fast. They were done by 2:30. I was here all day. It was about 4 of them. Picked up all the trash. They even fixed my flowers. It was absolutely wonderful. I would definitely recommend this company to friends, family, and other coworkers. You can't go wrong with Able.